Hey everybody, welcome back to Craft Corner. Happy Easter. Today we are making an Easter fairy garden from the dollar store. So the first thing that you're going to need is a pail or tin of some kind. A flower pot will do just fine. And then add in some fake moss, scrunch that in there so that it's all in the corners. Then you're going to embellish it with a couple of different things. Like I found this really cute fairy stone that says dream on it. And then you're going to add in some fake flowers. So I found a bunch of different little bobbly whimsical ones and everything was $1, so that's awesome. And then you're just gonna scatter them all around to make it look like a little garden. The next thing you're going to do is make a little fairy table. We're going to have the fairies over for Easter brunch. So I found this wooden table again at the dollar store with some paints, and I painted a little flower on it, and you can paint whatever you want on it. You can paint it solid, but I thought it'd be really fun to just make it really colorful and whimsical. So I added all kinds of little touches. And you don't have to be an artist, I definitely am not, but those are just a couple of ideas. Then I found this really cute charm set that has cups and bowls and stuff on it. So I took off the jump rings, I added some really pretty ribbon to make little placemats, and then I used glue dots to attach the little cups and plates and stuff like that for the fairies to come and have brunch. Then I found a really cute charm. It kind of looks like a tray, so I added on some extra goodies like little pieces of pie and cake for the fairies to have something to eat. And then I attached, again with glue dots, something onto their plate. You put it right into your pail and the fairies are all ready to come. The next thing you're going to make is a little banner. So I grabbed some colorful pom-poms, some toothpicks, and some needle and thread, and all you're going to do is just thread on those pom-poms onto the needle and thread. And as soon as you're done, you're going to attach them to the toothpicks. Just swirl them around the toothpicks a couple of times and secure them with a knot. Then I found these really cute little clips with eggs on them, so I attached those to the tops just to secure the string a little bit more. Popped it in the bucket, and there you go, Easter fairy garden. Happy Easter, everybody.